Local self-government. The government formed by the people of a certain village, town or city is called a local self-government. It deals with local problems and looks after the basic needs of local people. When people participate in the process of governance, they get involved in making decisions for their own benefit. This helps them to get their problems solved in a better way. As we know, India is a land of villages. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people who lives in villages. The life of the people who live in villages is quite hard. Many villages do not have the basic facilities like schools, hospitals, markets, etc. Some villages do not have proper drinking water and electricity. Children have to walk long distances to go to school. In some villages, women have to bring water from far-off places. Now, the conditions in the villages are improving. Every village in our country has a gram or village panchayat which looks after the needs of the people living there. Did you know? The word panchayat means a council of 5 persons. All the villagers who are 18 years and above elect the members of the gram panchayat. The elected members of the gram panchayat elect a sarpanch or a head. The panchayat is elected for 5 years. Every panchayat must have at least one woman among its elected members. Gram panchayat. The functions of the gram panchayat are as follows: to keep the village clean, to look after the education of the children and adults, to build and maintain the village roads and street lights, to provide safe drinking water to villagers, to improve the condition of agriculture, to help settle minor disputes among people. In towns and cities, the local bodies that look after the affairs of the area are municipal committees and municipal corporations. Big cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, etc. have municipal corporation. The head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. People in towns and cities who are 18 years of age or more elect the members of the municipal committee or the municipal corporation. The main functions of a municipal corporation are as follows: setting up public toilets, to construct and maintain parks and roads, to open and run primary health centers and hospitals, to keep the town or city clean by organizing collection and disposal of wastes, to run fair price and ration shops, to provide free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age, to organize literacy programs, to maintain street lights and roads, to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. Hospitals in the city. Thus, we see that all these local bodies such as panchayats, municipal committees and municipal corporations work for our benefit. We must cooperate with them and help them perform their duties well. Public transport provided by the municipal corporation. Word power. Council, a group of people who are elected to govern an area. Sarpanch, chairman of Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha. Mayor, the head of municipal corporation. Summarize. There are 3 levels of government: central, state and local self-government. Local self-government deals with the local problems. Every village in our country has a gram or village panchayat.